Hey everyone, welcome to Rip a Funnel Tuesday, where I'll be analyzing a funnel end to end, starting from the ad copy and the offer down to the landing page. And once I've claimed the offer, what were the different touch points and automations that are received from emails, SMS, phone calls, and so on. I'll be diving deep into every one of these, so let's get started. Today I'll be talking about Oribi, which is an analytics platform for marketers and analysts and so on. It seems like a very solid product, and I found them on Facebook. This is their homepage, but the ad looks something like this. You've got better things to do than spend hours building funnels. The ad is quite powerful. It has, like the description of what you can do. There's a little funny side to it here, and build smarter funnels faster. So this is their offer, is getting started building funnels faster. It was clear to me that it was a platform, and it was clear to me exactly what I'm clicking through. So I really like the graphics in this place. I was also retargeted, which is worth noting. I saw the same ad, so it wasn't warm or different retargeting, but overall they were following me around the web. Let's look at the click or the link itself. You can see every component of a solid CTA, including UTM tagging, which you can see. The source is Facebook, the medium is cost per click, the UTM campaign is all desktop. They also added ad group and UTM term, which is the image for potato. So that means they have a couple of different ads, rotating images, and the placement on Facebook. Very powerful attribution. Everybody who is working with ads or emails or anything for that matter, they should definitely use UTMs. If you're unfamiliar with UTMs, I highly encourage you to look up our blog or our resources. We discuss a lot on how important it is. Let's look now at the landing page once I've clicked through it. I didn't go to the home page. I actually was redirected here. Now, what I like about this is that, one, from a landing page perspective, it's very compact. That's one. Two, it does not have a lot of bells and whistles and things that are distracting. It's literally getting started, so it is a wizard. It's almost like the first step of the sign up, and there's a video appended to it. The video is very, very good. It's a 1 minute and 12 seconds video. It tells me everything I need to know about the product. So they literally took everything from the landing page and condensed it into a short video. Very neat sign up. There's also this chat component with a bot involved, which looks like this. It has a couple of CTAs in there, which I can get my answers directly from the chat. Yeah. Now, whether the features and pricing on top were necessary, I'm not sure, but the fact that the page does not include any additional details, this is not a bad idea. Me personally, I would have preferred to perhaps put them on the footer and just tuck them away so people do not bounce off the page. Okay. I give them props on the landing page. I think it's a little bit weak on some of the CTAs, but overall it is very powerful. Now, I did continue to sign up and claimed an account, and here is what I got at the end. So I've received so far, from the 1st until today, 21 days later, I got 13 emails. So an average of almost 1+ emails every 2 days. Okay. Now, you can tell the from is well done. They're sending from people, except for the first one, which is understandable. So they're sending from Emily, Arik, and Kate. They do have their subject lines short, and this is something I always emphasize on. Clear and concise. Positive overall. So these are some of the main main components of a solid subject lines. Emojis, keep them below 6 words, positive keywords, and straight to the point. So they did very well on subject lines. Now let's look at their pre-headers. Like you see here, everything is well set up. So they didn't leave it at the mercy of, what I can pick or what Gmail picks from the inbox. Now, in terms of subject lines, Connect Oribi is the first one. Wasn't able to reach you. answers about your users. So overall, it's a combination of somebody's trying to reach out to me, educating me about the product, and helping me getting started. So these are what I've gotten so far in terms of the nature of those emails, okay? And I think this is quite common with successful SaaS, is that they deploy these types of emails to make sure they've got me covered. Let's dive into the content. This is the first welcome email. Immediately, you will notice there's no design to it. It's actually made with very basic HTML. It looks like it's going out from an inbox, and I'm pretty sure this was done on purpose, okay? It takes you a few minutes to do this. It's weak on the branding, however. There's really no logo or anything like that. But overall, they kept it simple. There are some resources, solid resources here, links to videos and guides as well. All right, quick look into their header. This is kind of like their email signature, what they're using. All right, so SPF was neutral. That means the setup was self-signed, I think. DKIM is good. No DMARC set in place. Now, although they're using Amazon SCS, it might be system generated or they're using some third party. I couldn't really locate it much, but you can see here tracking. I think their email setup is okay from the technical side of things. Okay, second email from Kate. She tried to call, so calling is part of the process. They have an outbound team dialing out, and they included the unsubscribe on the bottom. One thing I noticed, guys, is that they did not include their address, company information on the signature, which is something that everybody should do to protect themselves, especially from spam compliance purposes. Okay. They're trying to reschedule a call with me to see how they can help. And again, that is part of their funnel. And this email again was going out, I believe, from Intercom. So this is fully Intercom. All right. Let's look at the third email from Arik. Arik is sending me some information about, learning more about the product, connecting my website so they could start tracking. So obviously for them, this is the first item, which is the most important, is getting the tracker on the site so we can start tracking, okay? I think the email was straightforward, and it is going out also from Intercom. So they're using Intercom for their drifts. All right, from there on, the emails are simple, short, no design whatsoever, no branding, and they're providing value. Now, it became a little bit repetitive at some point. There's no action taking, but honestly, I'm guilty of not responding or taking any action. So they did everything by the book, in my opinion. All right, this is it, guys. This is a solid SaaS sign-up funnel. The ad was very well done. The landing page concise, and it's a wizard. And they've sent all kinds of emails to get me back on board, from speaking to me, providing me with additional resources, and also helping me get started. I give them a solid 8 to 9 on this because of all these elements. They just lost perhaps on a little bit more on the branding side within the email and the landing pages. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Please comment, share, like if you'd like to get more, and I'll see you on the upcoming session.